In this practice, you would create attributes in a block that you will use in another drawing. The block with attribute definitions. Open Attributes-A drawing. In the Insert tab, Block Definition panel, click Define Attributes to create 4 attributes using the values given in the table. In the Attribute Definition dialog box, select the Specify Mode option and enter the values in the appropriate fields. Use W-Block to create a new drawing called Phone, containing the drawing of the phone and the attributes. Set the source to Objects. Set the base point to the middle of the top of the phone using the pick point. Set the file path to the practice file folder and insert units 2 inches. Save and close the drawing. Open the Office A drawing. Use the Libraries tab of the Blocks palette and locate the phone drawing. Insert the block phone and place it on one of the desk. Click OK in the Edit Attribute dialog box. Double-click on the block phone to open the Enhanced Attribute Editor. Select Extension and enter any value for extension. Click OK. Note that the extension number is displayed at the place where you had placed the EXT attribute in the block phone. Insert block phone on each of the remaining 3 desks and test the attributes by entering the value.